Don't be touching the child. Hello. Subway Surfers, we're back with Miss Maya. I have the audio and music on. I'm wearing headphones, so you should be able to hear me. Oh, frick. Okay. So, in today's video, I'm going to be trying to hit 1 million as a score. That's right, 1 million. I'm slapping myself before making this video, screaming, "Don't touch the child." Because don't be touching the child. Ow. Ah! Oh. Alright. Yeet. Ah! Well, that's lovely. The S was right there, too. You'd be touching the child. Bro, I literally have internet connection. Well, frick, try again. Yeah. Get my result. Okay. Yeah, I got the silver medal. Yay. Whoever got that diamond, congratulations to you. But I'm going to be trying to hit 1 million as my score. And if the leaderboard was still going up and I hit 1 million, that diamond would be mine. What the frick? Ah! Yep, that was my fault. I'm dead. That was totally my fault. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry at all. Frick you! Frick! This game's doo-doo. This game is actual doo-doo. This game's doo-doo. Doo-doo! If you guys want to see another Ultimate Custom Night video, then comment down below UNC, since we're Ultimate Custom Night. Yeah, if you guys want another Ultimate Custom Night video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's really good. Mission set, or at least I thought it was pretty good. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, what the? Yeah, spray can. What are you yelling at me for? I'm just spray canning. Bruh, what are you yelling at me for, bruh? Yeah. Right. Yep. 1 million. That's what I'm going for. If I don't get it in today's video, 1 like equals 1 prayer. Ah! My high score. Ah! I'm so happy I got out of the way of that. Otherwise, I would have been trained. I would have been just a pile of goop on the floor. Yeah, red goop. With some bones. I'm talking about getting squished. Ah! Alright. I was missing every single coin there. Perfect. Alright. Ah! No! I didn't even do anything! That happened on its own. Alright. 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 Let's do this. Ah!
Enjoy your favorite coffee in different ways, like brewed coffee in any size for just 50 cents, or a small iced coffee or a frappe for just $1. BJ Cafe, brewed coffee for 50 cents, iced cafe for only $1.
Nope.
Opportunity will not.
What do you mean?
Prepared to invite it in.
What do you mean? I don't even care.
I know, not much, but no. But seriously, I wasn't
Jump 30 times. Easy. Ah! Alright. Oh! Bro. Like, my Subway Surfers is so bad. But like, oh! Schnizzle. Schnizzle chisel. Alright. Okay. This is good. Alright, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna concentrate.
The advantage for Christopher Bell with just over 8 to go. Just under a second, and you see what his day has been like. Let those first 40 laps of the day, lost all that he forgot to wear clothing. All the field there with the table.
We're just days away from the 61st running of the Daytona 500. Which stories are you watching closely, Jeff?
Well, Mike, there are a few drivers getting behind the wheel for some new teams in 2019. Martin Truex Jr. joins Joe Gibbs Racing. Kurt Busch, the 2017 Daytona 500 champion, makes the Ganassi Racing.
You can see this. He's been searching for the last couple laps here. Trying to work, but it just didn't seem the ability that it needs up there yet to really make
Oh my god. Hoverboards. Nice. The frick out of my way. Okay. Yeah, that's one way to lose a hoverboard in an instant. I'm not going to use that last hoverboard until I absolutely need to. Alright, I'm going to start concentrating on to get to 500 coins. Fudge. Money, 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 money. I'm Mr. Krabs. I like money. I'm Mr. Krabs. I like money. Missions. Yeah. Buy a mystery box. Excuse me for a minute. So I was opening up mystery boxes. I tried to get the jackpot. But look at all the coins I've wasted. I now have 13.1 thousand. Don't gamble, kids. It's not good for you. Make sure to subscribe for more. See you next time. Peace.